back to Look Fantastic's YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing really well. As you can see by the thumbnail, we're going to be creating this super glam Bratz look for Halloween. So if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep watching. So guys, let's get straight into this tutorial. So as you can see, I'm starting off bare-faced and I'm just going to prime my eyelids first. It looks quite light because I've got tan on, but to be fair, I really like concealer. It's good because it'll make your pigments really pop in your eyeshadow. So I basically just carved out underneath my eyebrows and patted that all over the lid. I did take a little bit of tape as well and just put that on the corners of my eyes. Just then when we peel it away, we have a nice clean cut. Then going in with the Anastasia and Jackie palette. I absolutely love this palette. It is so beautiful. Taking the shade Big Wig and Credit, mixing those two together to make quite a deep purple colour. You can see with a little dense brush, I'm just packing that on the outside of my crease across that sellotape line, and also I go back in with the shade Big Wig on its own and I start to put that through my crease. Then going in with the shade Supreme and a little fluffy brush, I started to blend that over the top of the purple. I find that pink and purple is really easy to blend out, like they're just two colours that go really lovely together. So if you don't do a lot of colour, don't worry, I'm sure this will be absolutely fine. Then because it's Bratz, I knew that we needed our lips to be really nice and big, so I did go in with the Too Faced Lip Injection Gloss. As you can see, just then our lips were a little bit more plump. Now it's time to cut the crease, so it's a little bit lighter, and a little flat brush, and I just started to cut my crease. I didn't really go any higher than my natural crease because the Bratz doll look is quite like winged out and quite flat. Then once I was happy with that, I patted that over with a white eyeshadow and I just took that colour Supreme and the Big Wig colour. I went in first with the pink and then the purple just to blend that out all nicely. Then going in with the Too Faced liner, I just penciled underneath my eyes, then it was all nice and dark. And then I also went in with the Benefit Roller Lash Liner in black. And Bratz's main feature is the eyes, really nice big glossy eyes, and they also have a really big liner. So I did do my liner quite extreme, but it all comes together in the end, don't worry. And I also did a little black line going from my cut crease, connecting it to the end of my wing. I feel like this really does add to the Bratz effect. Then going in with a white eyeliner and a little brush, I just packed that all on my waterline, and I also made sure to take it underneath my waterline as well, onto where my eyelashes are. Then to tightline that, I just took that same Benefit black eyeliner and I just went straight underneath with a nice line. This proper gives like the Bratz illusion and makes the eyes really look like Brat eyes. Then going in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I absolutely love this mascara and just did a nice coat getting ready for lashes. I actually added half of a lash onto the end, just then it was a little bit more wispy and a little bit more of like a cat eye effect. By the way guys, everything will be in the description of all the products that I use and things like that, so don't worry. Then going in with foundation, I'm taking the NARS Longwear Radiant Foundation in the shade Barcelona on a big peaches and cream fluffy brush and just patting that all over my skin and blending that in really nicely. Then I went in with some concealer. I used the Too Faced concealer in the shade Porcelain, and I also went in with some NARS concealer, darker shade to use as contour. As you can see, I'm just concealing underneath my eyes to make it all nice and bright, my forehead, nose and chin. And then what we want to make it darker and bronze up a little bit more was my forehead, cheekbones and the sides of my nose as well. And then I just blended this out with a little dense contour brush. Then I just set everything in place with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I didn't really bake or anything because I wanted my skin to be quite glowy, so I just had a light setting all over. Then I went in with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish as bronzer and I used the shade Dark Deepest. And then I also went in with blush and highlight just to kind of pull the whole look together and finish everything off. For highlight, I actually used one of the shimmers in the palette. It was absolutely stunning. Then for lips, I'm taking the Lottie London lipstick. Like I said, all names and everything will be in the description down below, but I did really like the colour of this. In the picture that at first I thought she had more of like a red lip. Then I did look back and she has more of like a deep cherry burgundy kind of lip. So I did go in with a NARS lipstick over the top just to kind of deepen that up and make it look a little bit more realistic. Then to finish off the look, I went back in with the Too Faced Lip Injection as a gloss. So guys, this is the finished makeup look. I am so happy how this came out. I literally want to dress like a Bratz doll forever. I really hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching if you got this far. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. I hope it was easy enough for you guys to recreate at home. If you do, make sure you tag me and Look Fantastic. I'll see you soon for another one. Bye!